Oh my God, Bob, waiting on you.
Oh no, what the fuck?
What are you doing?
I am zooming in, and this happened. I was like...
I brought the other rod. I'm gonna just put that one back.
So if one of your rods is snagged, I am jumping in the water to unhook it.
Bye, Bobby.
Why would you throw your... Okay.
Was even his throw anyway. Sponsored by Gatorade.
Hold on a sec. Alright, boys.
the most honorable position.
I think the worst place to put someone is the back and front. I would. If I'm
Yeah, the
walking,
back you feel the most secure until it's just both are tracked behind you.
I would feel more safer in the middle.
I'll push you guys up front so I get it. Ugh, head start. You know what I mean?
Wolf comes down. No, line comes down. Rip starts with the hips going out.
I've lived a little longer than you guys, so I get a chance to go to the finish line. You asking for his knife? Why, go start shopping sticks again? It's like, man, it's been a whole hour since I sharpened a stick. Oh, withdrawals, man.
I need my fix.
It says, beware of bears, bats, lions, tigers, and crackheads. Do not feed.
I think the crackheads.
Do not feed the crackheads.
Do not.
Do not give the crackheads crack. What does it say? Didymo?
Educates you in the crack.
Didymo
What
can
is
smother stream beds and adverse. Oh, okay, so it affects the it's for the fish and shit. It grows on rocks.
What's the safe distance?
Oh yeah, just leave me by myself. Don't worry about me. Oh, I'm fine. Thanks. Dude, this is a nice little swimming hole. This is deep. I could probably jump in this. Huh? Go for it, dude. This is a nice little swimming hole. You got a swim trunks on? I'll tell you, swim in there, man. It's just fucking awesome. Justin is. Here we go, Justin.
Alright, just dive in, just do it. Just wear it. It's gonna be too deep, by the way, so.
Too deep? If you could swim, nothing's too deep. Hey, just throw it on that side. No, the shirt. Just put it up there. When you get out, just move across. You don't gotta think about it.
Let's do it.
You got it, Justin. Let's go.
Come on. I'm wearing shorts.
No. Throw it over there. I'm not gonna catch that shit.
It's not gonna make it this far, dude. I promise you.
Your name's not Tom Brady. There we go. Oh, made it.
How cold is it?
That cold.
Dive in.
He gotta get his chi. He's gotta get his chi together.
Yeah, I'm gonna drown.
Just jump in, man. Right here.
Do it last time.
Swim to the rock. Dude, I wish I'd known about this spot fucking years ago.
This is like a great swimming hole here. Do it. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah. It's a merman. Careful. Careful. There we go. All right, good man. Yeah.
That's how man does it.
Do you not feel a little?
What's up?
Sunset what?
Shooting a sign. Oh, yield. It said, fuck you, boom.
What is it?
It said yield. Huh? So shooting at it. This is West Virginia. You know? I think hillbillies have a problem with authority. We're still studying, but that seems to be the thesis. Just scared them off. This isn't like National Geographic or like Jurassic Park where we drive down and like, oh look, a bear, oh moose.
There's a Tyrannosaurus.
Oh, there's crackheads. I think the crackhead is the national mammal of West Virginia now.
They live in the mountains. Very solitary hunters.
Sure.
Crack.
You know what I mean?
Imagine a hippie interpreting a crackhead.
Oh God.
You would have a millennial. Ooh, sorry guys.
Too soon. That's actually pretty funny. It's mating season, so.
Oh, you're in luck, Justin.
Oh, right there?
There it is. Olsen Tower.
Wasn't like Levi Friend like crawled down?
Oh, son of a bitch. People already up there? Motherfucker.
They're gonna come down. Time to go to bed, boys.
I love this everywhere. Bobby, do anything, I'm pushing down the steps.
I'm nice.
I'll kill you. Scared of heights, not keep that Please stop. Just keep going.
Hey man, don't mess with them, alright?
No, stopping. You gonna talk?
Oh, I remember this is a killer on my knees.
Usually when I'm this high, there's a seatbelt, and I'm in a roller coaster. Oh, terrible. My knees. Should have some potassium. Some bananas.
I actually have bananas in the Jeep. Actually,
Bananas?
yes.
Let the air test in here. Up here. That's even a bit sketchy now that I think of it.
I'll be the first one down. I can guarantee you this.
Man, boys. Oh God. Justin, look.
No,
This is.
I can see everything.
Was it Justin freaking out?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Do not be alarmed. For that is the piss hole. Alright.
And I put my hand near it. Fuck.
So last time I came up here, this door was shut or locked.
Oh, there's a ladder up here. Let's go, boys.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm making my way down.
You actually go up there.
Oh man, stay up here for a second. Just sit down. You don't have to look around.
There's light.
Just look at the wall.
I can see all this. It's looking. It's very beautiful. It is. It's doing. Shit like this bothers me.
Oh God.
What's that?
If I can feel a shake, I can.
Oh yeah.
Please.
You guys didn't mind shaking the damn swinging bridge on me. It had me freaking out.
I didn't swing it. I wasn't doing that shit. That was
Yeah.
Bobby.
That was me. Bob was shaking the whole Awesome
There's
Tower.
old freaking Robert Gollum Smeagol Strickland over here, man.
Awesome Tower. The boys. Historical. Please respect and don't vandalize. Vandalize.
Shit.
You know, they only broke the one that would call it. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys.
At least they were kind enough to show us where the bathroom is.
All right.
That's fine.
Alright, I'm good. I'm gonna.
Bobby, make sure your spot's down there.
All right. You got it, Bob. You gotta get to climb up the window.
You going down, Justin?
Yeah.
All right, man. See you down there in a second.
Oh man, the suicidal people can't jump off.
Why is that?
You'll fit it here. I'm sure you will.
All right, leave it alone.
It's out that window.
Oh, I'm pissing down the door. Hey, yeah, motivation go. I'm here for you, Justin. Ooh, all right, there's the windmills over there. Those are the power plants.
I'm coming home, Mom. I think about leaving my drink here because I need two hands to climb down these stairs. Yeah.
What's that?
Window shaking. I'm scared. You mean mesmerized? Hey, there's the windmills.
Where?
There's the windmills. I would have brought my phone.
There's some over there too.
That would have been scared. I would have been really scared to drop my phone. You'd walk My hopes and dreams. Hey Justin.
Justin, can I drop my Coke? Can you catch it for me?
I want to drink it all. I want to drink it all, then drop it, but the wind's gonna take it and clear out somewhere.
I wonder if we hit him. That would have been funny.
Likely not, to be honest.
We took about a few seconds, but
I'm really
hey, Justin, what?
really tempted to just carve McLovin on right here.
I guess it would say McLovin. I guess we're heading down.
Down the stairs.
Hold on a sec. Take a picture of me real quick. Bob.
Take a picture.
Sonic Cliff side with kilo cocaine.
It's the Rose's face and pilot.
They harvest. They harvest. They're cracking cocaine products. Those salt mines, that so-called salt mines, they
Yeah.
I always feel so gangster when I hear that song. DJ
Me too.
in the Kids Mix on 102.7.
Straight up G.
Hey, what's up? This is Lucky B.
From the main streets of Watertown, New York.
Let me get them out right now.
Whoopie whoop.
Australian. Sold out tickets to see Robin Schulz.
Ahuru.
Waterfront Resort this Friday. If you want to go, spend your 4th of July weekend with Robin.
The faster you can get relief. 800-281-9912. Instead of going to work, how would you like to go to a party and get paid for it? You can with Selfie Station. When you own a Selfie Station, it's like having a VIP pass to the best parties and events in town. Selfie
Down here.
Station is a portable touchscreen
drive.
photo booth you set up at parties, weddings, proms, special events, any place people want to have fun. It uploads pictures to social media or instantly prints out high-res copies. And you can customize the photos for any occasion. Selfie Station is the life of any party. And if it's your Selfie Station, so are you. And you get paid. In fact, I make more money in 3 hours at a party than I used to make all week sitting in a cubicle.
Oh,
And when I want to go
la-di-da.
off biking, skiing, or whatever, I go. Total freedom. Selfie Station is the perfect gig. It's like getting paid to have fun. Check it out. Go now to selfiestation.com and use promo code 4040 and learn how you can save $500 on the professional package. Financing available for qualified candidates. That's selfiestation.com, code 4040.
What, you don't like ads?
Selfiestation.com,
I love ads.
4040.
Yeah, listen to that shit all day. Alright, there it is.
In the studio with Camila Cabello